Looking after a family of 41 is a 24-hour operation, scooping 120 poops a day.
Come on! It's on my fucking sofa!
And preparing over 15,000 dinners each year.
That's today's dinner.
Feeding time takes about 2 hours to prepare. Everybody has different. There's 41 dinners to prepare, 41 dishes to wash after you've prepared it. And you have got to allow them time to eat it, so it does take quite a while to feed all these mouths.
It's so easy to get behind with everything.
I'm going slightly mad. They don't all eat beef, Lynn.
You know, if you're such an expert, you can do it.
No, I'm not an expert,
Exactly,
Lynn.
because if I'm not up, I have to get up and make dinners.
No, I'm not done about that. I'm on about that. You don't
Wrangling.
explain who has beef and who has chicken. You don't all have it.
I'm not here.
Good. Idiot.
No, you're an idiot. We argue because I have one way of doing it and he has another. When you've got so many, you've got to be there while they are feeding so they're not arguing. Hey! People actually don't realise how much hard work, but my choice, so I'm not complaining. Come on, din din. I think I'll have a tablet or two. Come on, move it, cowboys. Oh, look, you've crapped.